Michelle Witt is here with us today to discuss the PIP program, the Primary Intervention Program that we are sponsoring at Oak Meadow Elementary School. Michelle, thank you for being here. Can you tell us more about the PIP program?
The PIP program is a kindergarten through third grade program designed to provide direct services to children in school, on the school site, an hour a week, one-on-one with an aide, and they do, they have a huge variety of things that they're allowed to, choose from, and the goal is to help assist kids that are struggling either in the classroom, on the playground, possibly regulating their emotions, they're having trouble making friends, maybe they're having meltdowns in class, things like that. They come in and they work with the aide 1 hour a week, and they just, it's meant to improve all those little issues that they're having.
The soft skills.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So the primary intervention is to intervene early.
Absolutely. Yes.
And tell us a little bit about the benefits of intervening early.
Well, just from my own personal background, having worked on the other side quite a bit in corrections and things like that, I am a huge believer in prevention and, tackling the problem before it becomes a problem. And, kindergarten through third is where they're getting what their education experience is going to be like. And so the more positive that is, the better it bodes for further on, because studies show that when children have problems in the first years of school, that continues on and tends to get bigger and badder as time goes by. So we want to do early intervention, benefits the community, benefits the child, benefits the family. It's just a win-win all the way around.
Great, that's right. So how has the Vision Coalition enabled this project to get off the ground?
Well, they've been the driving force behind it. It wouldn't exist at Oak Meadow if it wasn't for the Vision Coalition. They got the funding, they give us all the support, they sent us training, they hired all of us that work in the program. So without it, we just wouldn't be there at all.
Great. And how do you feel like a coalition can help a community?
Well, I think that the coalition's, vision is to look at, assisting youth and children in this community, which I think is primary, and all the aspects of it, because the Vision Coalition works in a lot of different areas. And so it's pivotal in, bringing those resources in and getting all those programs up and going that people would have a really hard time doing on their own.
Yes. So it's been kind of a pilot program for bringing mental health services into schools.
Right.
Do you think that we should do more of this in the county?
Absolutely. I would love to see the PIP program in every elementary school here, because I think it's a great program. That the outcomes are really good. It's a pretty inexpensive program to run, and you're hitting the problem before it's a big problem. So.
Can you tell me about how your program compared statewide with other PIP programs?
We had the best numbers in the state our first year, and I don't know about this year yet, but the first year we had the highest numbers of improvement in the state. We worked, Oak Meadow is a great school to work at. The staff there's great, and of course I have a very good staff, so that helps.
It makes a big difference.
Yes.
All right, well, thank you for being here today. I really
Certainly.
appreciate your time, and we appreciate so much the work that you're doing with our kids at Oak Meadow School.
Happy to do it.